All right, well, how's this? This is Mark coming to you from Baker's Green Acres. In the backdrop, you see my 1974 F-250 snow machine. And tonight what I'm doing is I'm pushing snow. I've been kind of doing it all day long, off and on. As you can see, it's snowing pretty good. And I don't know how much we have, but tell you what, look at these piles. There was nothing there yesterday. So it's coming down pretty good, and that's all right. Low battery. So this won't be long, but I'm using my truck as a backdrop here. Got a couple lights out there, huh? Just for fun. But I saw a post this morning that I thought was pretty informative, and I'm thinking, I'm plowing snow now, and I actually love to plow snow. I like plowing snow and I like mowing lawn. And at this point, there's not much catches me by surprise because I've been plowing this farm now for 15 years. So I know where everything is, and things go kind of nice. I put on some 70s and 80s tunes, and I go for it. And I could do this all night long. It looks like I will be, because it's supposed to snow until 3 this morning, and it's pretty cold out too. But listen, this post I saw this morning was about using heat lamps and animals this time of year. And a lot of people think, oh gee, you know, I've got pigs outside and they're in the barn and they're going to be cold, and so I better put some heat lamps on them. Heat lamps and straw are a very bad combination. And I think probably at this point it's good for, I've used heat lamps and I've had problems with them. I've never burned a building down, but people do. Every year buildings go down, and perspective is, this is rough now if you're a new homesteader and your animals are out in this and you've got to be out in it moving snow and your water can freeze up and stuff like that. But you burn a building down, things get way worse in a hurry. So this is one of those things where I can say, just don't buy them. Buy straw. And straw is different than hay, way different than hay. I say this a lot. I think it's important because I'm still getting people ask me about this, but straw is the stems and stalks of grain crops, and hay is just green grass. Is green grass that's dried. All right, there we go. There's a better picture. So just use a lot of straw. We only have about a week to go, and everything will be fine, and we'll get through it. Put a lot in, make it nice and deep for them, and everything will be fine. Stay away from heat lamps. Anyone can farm.